Good afternoon. Signing in from BIEC, Bangalore International Exhibition Center. We are sitting with Mr. Ajit Kumar from OEN, and we'd like to get some insights about his experience and the way forward. I represent the EM Efficient Manufacturing magazine. Good afternoon, Mr. Ajit.
Good afternoon, Ravi.
How is your feeling? What is Bangalore treating you, and how has this 2-day journey been so far?
Fine. We have been attending electronica for quite a while time. So it's been many years we have been coming there as a visitor. Okay, and this time we felt this could be a time we participate as an exhibitor. So we have decided and we brought in our product ranges here, so that to showcase our new range of products. We have been the legacy manufacturer for electromechanical components in India. Okay, so we have some new products to offer to the industry, the upcoming sunrise industries. So we thought to share the insights to our customers here.
Nice, lovely. And also, sir, if you could take us through your journey, how has OEN, been, where it has started, and what is it in the near future that OEN wishes to see?
Okay, OEN is a family-owned company. We started in 1968. We are the pioneers in India for the electromechanical components like relays and switches and contactors. Okay, so our founder MD has started this company as a small division for making rotary switches and hermetically sealed relays back in 1968 at Cochin in Kerala. And from there we have developed many other products, and we have moved into automotive, we have moved into industrial electronics, we have moved into defense, many other portfolios. During these times we have also came out with a lot of new products. Apart from the relays and the thing, we have now moved out the contactors, and we are now moving on to systems, avionic systems and other things. Yeah. So we have two factories. One is at Cochin, which is our mother plant, and another factory is at Pune in Maharashtra. So that's a new plant. So we are trying to be more closer to some of the key customers, so that the geographical area we have to cover. So we'll be more closer to some of the key industrial segments. So that's why we have moved to Pune also. Yeah. And we have as I said, it's a family-owned company, so we value the morals of our company, and the quality is our policy basically.
Lovely. Thank you so much. And I understand, family-owned businesses are as good as family. So even your employees also become family to you. That's a lovely trait. Where do you see OEN, going ahead and looking at the global market shifts and, so many things that are happening, changes that are happening? Where do you see OEN, and how is this platform helping you get there?
See, OEN, as we said, we started as an electromechanical company. Now we are getting to electronics. So the kind of new segments or the new era of energy segments, new energy, or even the artificial intelligence things are happening. Such things are giving us a hint that this is the area where we have to move ahead. So we are also getting into systems, that is electronic systems. Apart from a component manufacturer, we are trying to be a system manufacturer. So we have now moved into avionic systems, where some high-tech embedded systems are being developed for Indian aviation industry, for the helicopters and aircrafts and all. Similarly, we are also getting into the charger segment. So EV chargers, we are going to develop EV chargers for the vehicles, EV vehicles, because the EV will be the next boom. Yeah. So we have the components already for that EV chargers and the charging stations as well as EV vehicles. Now we are also getting into the other supply chain segments. So that is a system. So EV chargers also we will have a huge demand very soon. We are going to develop that one.
Lovely. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your time. And any last words that you have?
Well, we see a good potential for India, and this is the right time for India. So as an Indian manufacturer, we are also putting more time to our focus on our new markets in India, and also we are investing. Okay, we are committing our the time and effort to that Indian, so that we hope we can be the next global power.
Thank you so much, and all the very best, sir.